Okay, this is a real quick video on replacing a rotor on an F350 SRW, which is same as an F250. But anyway, to pack the bearings, you use one of these lube. Well, I do. You know, you don't have to. You can do it with your hand, but you just put the bearing in there. Okay, with the curved side down, and you put the bearing in there. You use this, and you push it down. You see, and it fills it up, and you can see the grease coming out on the sides. Now, when you see all that grease coming up from the top, then you're done. So the bearings are in there. Okay, that's the bearing is in there already, and of course I put the seal. For this particular vehicle, it's a Motorcraft BRS-3, which is the same, I guess, from 99 to, God, probably all the way to 06. So here's the this, and it's ready to slip on. Okay, now over here, right there, we have the outer bearing already packed. See how well it does it? Anyway, it's already packed. That is cleaned out perfectly, and it's ready to go on there. And that's what we're going to do right now. What you do is you torque this down to 21 foot-pounds, back it off about, 100, I don't know, 100, back it off, okay, more than 100. So you just go to 20 foot-pounds, 21 foot-pounds, back it off, and then you take another torque wrench and you tighten it to 18 inch-pounds. Okay, we're going to do that right now. That's not the one. See how it's not, I don't hear a single thing. So that is perfect. That's what we want to do. You don't want to hear any little tiny sounds of any kind in there. And it's spinning perfectly. And it's torqued. Now what we're going to do is we're going to back it off. Like so. See? Like that. Now we take the torque wrench. So we backed it off. Okay, we take this little torque wrench. And that's it. See? That's it. Perfect. Okay? Take your little thing there. Align it. And we stick it in there. Like so. Like that. And we just twist it off. So, let's get it out of the way. Like that, see? And that's it. Look at that. It's spinning, not a single sound out of it. It's perfect. You take a cap, put the cap back on, and we're in business. So we just kind of clean it out a little bit here. Perfect. And we line it. And don't align it crooked. Let's see, I can't see. Let me see. Okay, take a piece of block here. Too hard. and we're done.